Hello there! Today we will be making a speech bubble in Adobe Illustrator. First, we'll open a new file. For today, we'll choose the standard letter size. Select the rectangle tool. You can also press M on your keyboard. Now, draw a rectangle. Under Properties, select the stroke and change it to 6 point. You can always make it thinner or thicker if you'd like. You can also change the color of the stroke by clicking on the box next to it. Round the corners by clicking and dragging the anchor point here. Choose the Direct Selection tool or press A on the keyboard. Next we will click on the anchor point. It is one of the little squares along the path. Once you have selected an anchor point, you'll see direction handles pop up. Play around with these handles until you are satisfied with the shape. You can also make a sharper tip. Add an anchor point by selecting the pen tool or by pressing P on your keyboard. Click the edge of your tip when you see the little plus. This will add an anchor point. Select the anchor point tool or press Shift and C on your keyboard. Click on the new anchor point and voila, you have a point. Feel free to make any last adjustments. It's time to export our work. Click on the Selection tool or press V on your keyboard. Select your speech bubble. Then go to File, Export Selection. Choose your speech bubble. Next, choose the file location under Export to. Under Formats, make sure it is listed as a PNG. Next, click on Export Asset. Now you have a speech bubble template to import into your preferred program, such as Storyline 360. Thanks for watching!